If you regularly use ChatGPT and don't know about these two settings, then you are missing something big. Without further ado, let's show you about those two settings in this short video. First, open the ChatGPT app from your mobile. Now tap on the three-line menu at the top left. Then you will see your name at the bottom, tap on it, and then go to Personalization. Under Personalization, you will find Custom Instructions. Tap on it. Here, provide the information that ChatGPT asks for, such as your name, what you do, and some other information. Take your time and fill in the information correctly. This information will help you get a much better response from your ChatGPT. Then check the options carefully. Now tap the tick mark on the top right. Our first setting is done, now we will do the second setting. Now tap on Data Control from the Settings menu. Here you will see two toggle buttons. If you have these two buttons turned off, then turn these two buttons on. I have turned on these two buttons, you should turn them on too. Friends, these were the two important settings of ChatGPT, which will help you get better results. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this regularly. Thanks for watching.